Ang dami ng mga naglipan ng DIY dishwashing liquid kit sa market ngayon. And I have tried a lot of them but sad to say I was not that satisfied. Yung mga na-try ko kasi hindi siya masyadong mabula at saka hindi siya masyadong nakakatanggal ng sebo. Gladly, I found this Mikiwi DIY dishwashing liquid kit. Bukod sa mabula na siya at legit na nakakatanggal talaga ng sebo ay mabango din siya. Yung kampante ka talaga every time na naguhugas ka ng mga plato kasi aside sa mabango na yung plato mo ay napaka-fresh pang tingnan, hindi mamantika. At napakadali lang din yang gawin. So may 4 ka na ingredients na paghalo-haluin mo lang sa isang balding tubig. So ito yung pinakaunang ingredient. So this is the SAA or Fortified Bubble Booster. At ito yung pangalawang ingredient. So this is the surfactant. So you need to put it slowly and put it in a circular motion. So after mo malagay yung dalawang ingredients, paghaluin mo lang until ma-dissolve sila. And you just need to wait for about 10 minutes bago mo ilagay yung next ingredient natin. So this is gonna be our third ingredient. You need to shake it well before you put it. And this is the regular premix fresh calamansi. So pareho lang, paghaluin mo lang sila in a circular motion. So next is our last ingredient. So this is the thickener. So ito yung pampalapot ng ating dishwashing liquid for today's video. Paghalo-haluin mo lang ulit sila until malapot na talaga siyang tingnan. After mong paghaluin yung 4 na ingredients at pansin mo na sobrang lapot na niya, you just leave it for about 24 hours and then that's it. You're done. Ilalagay ko to sa yellow basket ko below. You might want to check it out and get yours now. Bye!